Okay, so we cut these up into 13 inches. That's going to give us that extra for seam allowance too when we put them together. And it ended up with this piece on the end, and that's okay. That's going to be cool to do something with. So that's going to go in our pre-cut strips. Actually, we'll put that in our blocks because we actually have a good bit of blocks that we made that look just like that. See? And we'll be able to add to it because that's going to be a patchwork. Okay. So the thing what you do is what you can do. Okay. You can make these smaller. You can do like 3 or even 2. 2 and up. The thing to remember is it's got to be this good square. Same length, same width. Because what that allows you to do, however long your squares are, even if they're 3 or 2, I did these because they're bigger. This is a really good size to work with. Okay, so you can switch it around, and it's a little bit off. It's okay because of the seam allowance, so you can totally trim that, and you can sew these together, or you can put sashing in between. Turn it like this. Okay. A lot you can do with it. It's okay to trim it later. This probably could have been cut a little bit longer. Okay. So you might start to see a pattern when you're turning it. Don't worry about the little parts. You can trim that, or you can just over sew it. And then, look at that. And the next piece is going to go here, so you can guess what it's going to look like. That's just one way to put it together. Or you can turn it. You see the red doing the pattern? Freezing rain. Freezing rain happens when the temperatures on the Earth's surface are below freezing. See, there's another pattern. Raindrops become super cool. The result is ice that can accumulate on trees, wires, cars, and more. Freezing rain can cause travel problems on the roads. And if you did it this way, you would end up having the red as a sashing all the way down. Or you could do it with this one. If you prefer, you would have like this. That sashing all the way down. Of course, then you wouldn't even need to cut it if you left it like that. But the whole fun in it is, of course, turning it. See, something like that. That'd be quite pretty. You need probably about, for a twin size, okay? I would say you need 3 by 5. And that is about the size of regular dining room table, okay? See there? 3, and then 5 is going to be the length. So if you want it queen size, you're going to double that. Or at least add another row of 5 on the side. Okay? I hope you enjoy doing your blankets and your sewing, whatever. You can make this a bag. You could make it a pillow. You could attach a back to it and make it a pillow sham, which I've done. It's very well received. So you're basically just creating new fabric. All right, have fun.